Hey, you're with TheEZGZ. You're back in the garage, but it ain't my garage. And isn't this a familiar sight? Transmission's out, engine's out. Let's have a look. Remember that double snap ring SuperDiff I put in to make things better? And when we pulled the axle tube off, the snap rings are laying out here. So I don't think a whole lot of the it was a bug pack that I ordered, and it came as an empty, and I didn't pound on this thing that hard, and I was extremely careful putting it together, and it doesn't come with the directions, and I think I did it the way I was supposed to do it. I did it this way many times over the years. This is why I like a threaded SuperDiff, where there's a big threaded nut that goes in there and eliminates the snap rings altogether. But at any rate, wanted to give you an update. I'm down at the Imperial Sand Dunes and got a couple runs on the car, and she was far from camp and started grinding and crunching. So now we're going to pull her apart a little further and see if the ring and pinion's okay. I did bring the stock differential that I can put in there, and I would trust that, even though that one's a snap ring, because it's a 50-year-old Volkswagen part. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Easy Jeezy.